Go where
Egghead.
people.
I just want this day to be over so I can just go home and play Dead Island.
It will either be judged by
Addict.
time or if no one
Don't be an alcohol addict either. Because we all know that you're insane. If you get drunk, then you will
Where's
fucking
Egghead?
do some shit. I don't know. He's the third one starting from
I'm just gonna look for an Egghead.
there, that start point.
What do you have pink headphones?
Why would you go in my bag?
Your bag is straight down open.
And they're not my headphones.
These are fresh. How the hell are you making fun of these headphones?
You can have them. They're pink. Pink is awesome. Pink's the main color. Fuck you. Yes, it is.
Suck my dick. What dick? You want me to show you? You will want to see.
Oh, shit.
That's what I want to see.
Look at him secluding himself.
I know.
Kid in the red. They're too blurry. Start the race!
Start the race! Come on! So that way we can just go to class.
What if I just pulled that iPad too? I was like,
Come on. Would you jump off this fence for $5?
yeah.
What the fuck? That was off.
What the hell?
That's out.
You see that little black blur spot or something? Dude, I can't see shit. Dude, let's go over there. Let's go over there. Can't see anything. Wow, we have to hop a fence just to get over here. What? What? No. No. Other people over there. No.
Want it?
Yeah. They did.
Are you guys jumping the fence? Nah, he is.
Yeah. Wait, is there an opening?
No.
Oh, then yeah.
How do you guys jump fences like
That's not funny. I could have died. I could have died. Crazy. Hey, I can see better here.
60 seconds. Racers, take your cars back. We will keep in mind who just did well. Racers, take your cars back.
I'm so tall, I don't even have to hop the fence. Watch out, because he's about to get on the bench.
You're gonna jump the bench.
Yo, don't do it. You're going to bust.
I hope you. No, he's not. I got it twice already.
Ah, shit, the fence.
He's gonna jump.
Fence with my jeans.
Hurry up! He did it. It's Grand Theft Auto!
Hey, you want to go in there? Want to go in there, Tyron?
What?
Let's go. Yeah, look how many solar panels.
Tyron, you can do that. Right?
Dang, one's ready and out. Angels is out.
That one's going fast.
What the?
Damn!
They're behind the line.
Dude, that car
How
was
is that
chucking.
one?
Damn!
Out of here, out of here, out of here.
None of these other ones are winning.
Out of here, Oh no.
Wow.
Of course it was the soul. Of course it was the soul. It's still going! It's the winner! The winner!
It's still going.